Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers. This is a flip through of my newest journal, and it's called Winter Garden. I used the Winter Garden kit from my Porch prints. Now, I'm going to open it like this. Then you're going to unwrap it twice because it's kind of chunky in there. Okay, and then once you open it this way, you've got a stacked pocket. There are envelopes with writing cards inside. There are tags. There are little writing cards that open up for you to write in. And I didn't ink anything in this kit. I thought the snow and the gray and the white, I thought it was better off to just not ink at all. We have a writing page right here. Then when you fold it down, you have another writing page here. And the birds are so beautiful in this. So I'm going to leave that down. So then this this opens up. Can you even see it? This opens up and there's a writing card in here. Okay. Then in here, this flips up. It's a belly band and it flips up. And there's a big card in here with a writing card inside. I mean a big envelope. And then it's a beautiful picture. Put this back down and re-velcro that puppy. Then this opens this way. And there are two writing cards in here. There's two beautiful pictures. Just a beautiful kit. And some ephemera. In here are two large pockets. One is holding a embossed glassine folder with a nice card inside. And the other one has a writing card in here. Not going to mess with it. We know what happens when we mess with things, right? So then this closes like this. This closes down like that. And this closes up like this. And we close it up and we flip it over, and this is the back. Move my board. This is the back, and the back opens up, and there's a CD cover here. There's some ephemera here. This is a writing card. Let me see if I can grab hold of it. This is a writing card that comes out. Then over here is another embossed glassine bag or envelope with another card held in by a belly band. Then this opens this way. There's a large writing card here, and I forgot to mention there's a large writing card here. They're beautiful images on those. And then over here on this side there is a large card in there as well. So I just love all the pictures in this kit. I think it's just gorgeous, and I was very happy to work with it. And I hope you enjoyed this flip through of this book that I made. And there's a tutorial for this. If you want to see how to make it, just go to the Sweet Pea Papers YouTube channel where you are right now, and look up Winter Garden, and you will see the 6-part tutorial on how to make this book. Okay, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next flip through or the next tutorial series. And that's it for me. I'll talk to you soon. That'll be probably just a second for you and a day for me, as we all know. Bye bye.